Hi guys, it's me again, Maki here, and samahan niyo akong makilakwatsa. Let's go! For today's lakwatsa, we're hiking Mount Kapigpiglatan in San Narciso, Zambales. Mount Kapigpiglatan is a minor hike with a 3 out of 9 difficulty and a total trail of about 13.2 kilometers round trip, featuring wide grassland trails and short forest sections offering mountain views and vast Zambales landscapes. Of course, joiner ulit tayo for this lakwatsa. The trip started sa pick-up point, around 8 PM kami nasundo, and mga 8:10 PM nakaandar na yung van. Fast forward tayo, after 6 hours of pagtutulog-tulugan sa van, nakarating na din kami sa Umayan, Zambales. It was only around 2:10 in the morning, so nag-breakfast muna kami at nag-prepare for the hike. After that, we had a quick orientation and started the hike at around 2:45 AM. The start of the hike was gradual, medyo hindi mo paramdam yung mga paahon at medyo patag pa ang trail. From time to time, of course, we needed to rest. Kahit hindi pa masyadong paahon ang trail, nakakapagod pa rin humabol sa taong wala namang pakialam sa'yo. Huy, hindi tayo huhugot, ano ba? After a few stops, nakarating na kami sa 7-Eleven kung saan may nagbebenta ng refreshments at snacks. Dito nagpahinga ulit kami, water break at CR break na rin bago magpatuloy sa hike. And so, we continued our hike at dito na nagsimula ang kalbaryong hinahanap ng bawat nag-hike, ang paahon na bahagi ng trail. Mga isang oras din yung part na to, it was still dark and the only thing that we could see were the city lights. Mabato din yung trail and dito na rin namin unti-unting nafe-feel yung lamig since mahangin siya and open grass trail talaga. Akala namin mainit since nasa Zambales na kami and maglalakad naman kami, so we thought we wouldn't be needing our jackets kaya iniwan na lang namin sa van. But sabi nga nila, maraming namamatay sa maling akala. Despite the wind and the cold, we still proceeded hanggang sa natapos na yung paahon at nakarating na rin kami sa grassland part ng trail. Dito medyo patag na ulit yung daan kaya medyo nakahinga na ang mga person. About 40 minutes of walking on the grassland, we finally reached the summit. At exactly 5:17 AM, we reached the summit. Madilim pa and we really didn't expect the cold. Sobrang lamig at sobrang hangin. Feeling namin parang hotdog sa freezer. Umalis ka ng Baguio para magpainit sa Zambales pero ang ending, nilamig ka pa rin. Ganun pa man, we still waited for the sun to show up. Parang ikaw lang, kahit sobrang lamig na niya sa'yo, inantay mo pa rin. Ang pinagkaiba lang, iniwan ka pa rin niya pero kami, blessed with a stunning sunrise. Kaya mag-hike ka na lang at wag nang lumablife. So of course, when the sun finally showed up, we took the opportunity to enjoy the view. Pictures dito, videos doon, kahit sobrang lakas ng hangin at sobrang lamig pa rin. After enjoying the sunrise, we decided to head back. Backtrail ang hike kaya yung dinaanan namin kanina papuntang summit, yun din ang tinahak namin pabalik. Backtrail siya pero mas na-enjoy namin yung pababa dahil sa magagandang views. Kita mo yung ibang bundok sa Zambales like Mount Mariklam at Kawag Hexa, tapos bonus pa natanaw mo rin yung dagat. While going down, nakasalubong din namin yung ibang hikers na paakyat pa. Grabe, ang satisfying panoorin silang mahihirapan. Charot! Joke lang po, huwag niyong seryosohin kasi ikaw hindi sineryoso. So ayun nga pala, bago kami bumalik sa jump-off station, we decided to take a quick detour sa Vito Falls para magtampisaw lang saglit. Maganda yung falls, malinaw yung tubig at medyo malalim din. Hindi na kami naligo kasi sobrang lamig pa ng tubig at hindi pa gaanong sumisikat yung araw. Plus, may side trip pa kami sa Camara Island kaya doon na lang kami maliligo. So ayun na nga, nung nagsawa na kami sa falls, we finally decided to head back. Around 45 minutes ulit yung lakaran and bandang 10 AM na kami nakarating sa jump-off. After reaching the jump-off, we had an early lunch, waited for our companions to come back, and rested a bit before heading to our side trip sa Camara Island. From Narciso, Zambales, it took us about an hour to reach Camara Island. Pagkarating namin, we still needed to ride a boat to Camara Island. The ride took us around 15 to 20 minutes. From the shore, akala namin malapit lang pero medyo malayo pala. Di pa kami nakakababa sa bangka, napawaw na kami sa ganda ng island. At nung nakababa na kami, well, our excitement was doubled. Sobrang ganda, white sands, tas yung tubig ang linaw, mas malinaw pa sa future nyo. Of course, di na kami nagpatumpik-tumpik pa pero bago kami nag-swimming, we first took some pictures and videos for documentation purposes. Char! Sayang lang, di namin nakita yung sandbar ng Camara Island. Maybe because it's high tide. Medyo malakas din yung alon at mabato yung ibang part ng beach kaya hirap ang swimming nung dumating kami. But still, sobrang saya ng experience. Napakaganda ng lugar na talagang babalik-balikan mo. Di tulad niya na di na bumalik sa'yo. We stayed here for about 3 hours. Around 4 PM, we decided to go back to the other side of the island to take a shower. After that, mga 5:30 PM na, we started our trip back to Baguio. Around 12 AM na kami nakarating and that's the end of our lakwatsa for today. See you next lakwatsa. Okay, bye!